Angeles City was a small settlement led by Captain Mayor of San Fernando, Don Angel Pantaleon de Miranda. It was named as Culiat, which name derived from a woody vine that was abundant in the area at that time. On December 8, 1829, the barrio became a separate town from San Fernando, and the name of the town was changed to El Pueblos de Los Angeles. Angeles City boasts a rich history and a fascinating culture. It is the birthplace of sisig, a famous dish that usually has pork cheeks and chicken liver. Angeles City has managed to preserve historical landmarks which have played significant roles in World War II. The Pamintuan Mansion, which became the headquarters of the Katipunan Group during the Philippine-American War. The base of General Antonio Luna and the seat of the First Philippine Republic during its stint in Pampanga. Museo ng Angeles or Angeles City Museum is another a must-visit place in the city. Built in 1922, the building formerly served as a town hall. It was converted to a museum in 1999 and was declared an important cultural property of the Philippines by the National Museum in 2012. Pisamban Maragul, also known as Santa Rosario Church. The venue was also been the site of numerous executions of Filipino rebels during the Spanish era. It also served as a military hospital in the late 19th century. Today, it is recognized by the National Commission for Culture and the Arts, or NCCA, as a National Historical Site.